Good morning. It's currently 9:15 in London and I'm going to Tokyo.
But in the long term, Japan's funeral.
Good morning from Tokyo. Feels so crazy to say that, and especially saying that and looking outside and I can see like miles and miles of Tokyo. I'm on the 39th floor, so I'm like 100 meters up in the air, but so cool. I got here yesterday morning around, I think my flight landed at 8 a.m. Got into the city, had to pull my luggage through public transport for like 1.5 hours. Also, it's super humid here and it was super hot yesterday, so with my airport clothes and like dragging my luggage around, I just didn't feel very well, so I ended up not vlogging anything. But today is a new day. I'm here all by myself in Tokyo at this hotel for the next 3 days, so I figured we could spend that time together. Now, since it's still very early in the morning, most of the cafes and restaurants here are open. Things in Tokyo in general open a little bit later. So let's go get some breakfast at 7-Eleven, shall we? It's massive. Show you everything I got. Plum onigiri, peach and pineapple yogurt, iced matcha latte, and this little plum juice thing. I don't know. Definitely very yummy. To this matcha place that's quite popular here in Tokyo. It's called The Matcha and it's supposed to have some of the best matcha you can get in the city. This is the frozen matcha latte. I'm very excited to try. It's super good. Although it's definitely stronger than what you typically get when you order out a matcha latte in Europe. But I love matcha, as you guys know, so super good. Almost forgot about this, but I have a booking for Team Lab Planets at 3 p.m. It's currently 1:30. It takes me about 40 minutes to get there, so I have to find somewhere really quick and easy to eat. Look how good the sushi looks. Can you believe all of that sushi was £4.50? I had like 10 or 11 nigiri.
everything.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Super cool though. Thank you so much. Today's been very crazy. I feel like I've been like go since like 7 a.m. this morning. It's currently 5 p.m. and I just got quickly back to my room to kind of lie down for a little bit, and then I'm going back out to dinner around 7. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to talk to you guys about the whole reason why I'm actually here in Japan in the first place. A little over 2 months ago, I got invited to go on a trip with my favorite travel app of all time, Airlo. You've probably heard me talk about Airlo in the past, but if you haven't, Airlo is the world's first eSIM store offering affordable data packs for over 200 countries and regions. I use Airlo to get data on literally every single one of my trips, including of course where I am right now, Japan. And by the way, if you use my code Maddie20, you can get 20% off your first eSIM with Airlo. How it works is you just open the app, click the country you're going to, so in my case, Japan. Choose how much data you think you'll need. I already bought this at the airport, but I did 20. Click buy and pay, install it to your phone, and that's it. You'll have data from the moment you land. I'm staying in Japan for a total of 3 weeks. This first week, I'm obviously all by myself. And then next week, I'm joining up with the Airlo team and a bunch of other creators, and we're gonna explore Tokyo and Kyoto together. And then after that, I'm heading over to Okinawa all by myself again to explore that. So yeah, really exciting. And in honor of this whole trip, Airlo is actually offering a 20% discount code valid through the end of June. The best part is you can actually download Airlo today and then buy your eSIM and activate it whenever your trip starts. So click the link in my description box below to download Airlo and use the code Maddie20 for 20% off at checkout. Thank you again, Airlo, for bringing me out here to Japan. And now let's go to dinner.
Through the corner of my window, playing catch. I wonder, do they get tired? Good company, purring on my lap. Not a single worry to be had. Sunny side up, the only thing that's filling my brain. For now it's sunny side up.
And then a iced matcha latte. Thank you so much. Oh, that looks lovely. Thank you. Look how good this looks. I got an acai bowl. I got a little butter cookie and an iced matcha latte, of course. I woke up just like craving something super healthy and fruity and like just health basically. I don't know, I don't think I've had like vegetables or like fruit in the past 3 days. And somehow my body was just like, let's just like get a bowl of health. So that's what I'm having. They were like my favorite plushies of learning. I could have sworn I thought Yukumo, or however you say it, was a UK brand, but I've never seen these flavors before. Peach floral mint and peach floral mint whitening toothpaste. Pink and purple. It's so cute, I gotta have it. Can I have one 500? This one. Yeah, thank you. My first strawberry candy here in Japan. Low-key, very yummy though. I really like this. Understand why they say don't bring any clothes to Japan when you go, because I have actually never felt colder. Like these jeans, this top. I also have this vintage Levi's shorts to try. I want everything. Can I also have an egg in it? Guys, I am at Mega Don Quixote, which is like a very famous Japanese discount store, but this is the mega version. So they have 8 floors. It's absolutely giant. I took the lift all the way up to the 7th floor, which is where I am now. And then my plan is to kind of just work my way all the way down. There's so much fun stuff here though. Just like, look around. Guys, Tamagotchis. Who remembers these? Maybe I was born too long ago. We have made it to the skincare floor. This floor goes crazy. There's so many cool products and so many people and so many sounds. It's very overstimulating. How cute is this? Good morning. We are moving hotels today, and the reason I'm really excited about it is I'm going to be staying at a capsule hotel. When I booked this trip, I knew I was going to have a few days alone in Tokyo, then I'm joining up with the Airdo team, staying a few days with them in Tokyo, and then going to Kyoto with them. So I booked myself a nice hotel to kind of get into the jet lag and time zone and feel comfortable after my long flight. But I also knew I had to take advantage of the fact that I was alone and booked myself a capsule hotel, because it might be one of the coolest things that you can do as a solo traveler ever. So let's go there. Nice, thank you. Here's my little pod. I'm number 602. It almost looks like a little spaceship. How crazy is this? I would say this room is like 1 meter wide. And here in the back, we have my little privacy screen for when I'm going to bed. I think this is a smoke detector. And then in the back here, we have some shelving on either side, and then a USB port and a charging port. I think this is the light. Yeah, it is. How cool. Good night. I changed my outfit and now I'm heading over to Chichiki. That's how they said it on the metro. I made it over to Tsukiji Fish Market near Ginza. It's like a 40-minute walk from where I'm staying, but it's like one of the most popular food tourist attractions that you can do in Tokyo. This is the market. This market is massive and they have every single street food type thing you can think of, from pastries to fruits to fresh fish, sushi, like everything. It is quite busy here, but I'll try my best to get lots of fun food. Japanese mochi. I got the green tea flavor. Look how good that looks though. Very yummy. It's so busy. It literally just melts in your mouth. That was so good. Oh my god.